This is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and in front of us here I have the Perovskia Denim and Lace. This is a Russian sage. It's a beautiful summer bloomer, a great cut flower. Here we have it planted in the garden. You'll notice there's a nice beautiful hibiscus in the background. The Denim and Lace gets to be about 24 inches tall and about 18 inches wide. It's a little bit more columnar than what it is round. It's got these beautiful purple flowers on it. The ones in front of us here are just about out of bloom, so the color you're seeing is pretty much just from the seed pods that are left. But still, even at that, even though it is almost out of bloom, it still has a lot of color and adds nice contrast in this garden. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings with Denim and Lace.